Welcome to Melissa Witherell channel. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please send us your questions through comment box or WhatsApp number. Visit our website for more horoscope updates, link is given on video description. Thanks for watching my videos. Love compatibility between Aries woman Scorpio man. Can Aries woman Scorpio man be together mentally, sexually and emotionally? It is impossible to mix fire and water. But the Aries woman and Scorpio man relationship can connect if the mood is right. While dating a Scorpio man, his mysterious nature catches her curiosity, and her passion brings out the best in both of them. But fireworks will abound, and not always in the bedroom. Is Aries woman and Scorpio man compatible? Find out now. Aries woman Scorpio man compatibility. Pros. The key to successful Aries woman Scorpio man love compatibility is commitment. Both are fiercely loyal creatures, so once they pledge their love and fidelity, it is set. But reaching that point can be difficult. They do share a common admiration for strength, which will be part of the love and attraction at the beginning. The mutual attraction between the Aries woman Scorpio man in love will be the strongest aspect of the union, and the one thing they will return to after each argument. The attraction is so raw that it is difficult to resist each other. Their love is deep and emotional, and both star signs will recognize and appreciate the spiritual connection they form. The Aries woman Scorpio man soulmates can create a long-lasting bond out of which they can build a gratifying home life. The bedroom is the only place where the Aries woman will submit to him, for his passion rivals her own. He is very protective of his lover, which makes her feel more physically and emotionally connected to him in this Scorpio compatibility. The Aries female enjoys a great adventure and her Scorpio partner will be along for the ride, but they will go about it in their own way. She is impulsive and he is more methodical, so she will have to slow down if she wants the Scorpio male to along with her. But their lives together will never be boring when dating an Aries woman. They will challenge each other every step of the way. Even in bed, the Aries woman Scorpio man will sexually challenge each other. Read more about Aries woman sex traits and Scorpio man sex traits. Aries woman and Scorpio man compatibility. Cons in the Aries woman Scorpio man marriage. Neither zodiac sign admits when she has done something wrong or is wrong. So there may be plenty of arguments that end in a stalemate. He is also a very commanding male figure, while she is a powerful female figure in this Aries compatibility. The Scorpion has to accept this fact before moving forward. But once the relationship is in full swing, they will begin to fight for the dominant position. And while the Aries woman is brash and bold in her approach, the Scorpio man in love is more sneaky and subtle. Once these two different sun signs begin to clash, she may all lose patience with her partner. Compromise will be necessary for the Aries woman and Scorpio man friendship to be able to lead to a stable relationship. This will rest on the Scorpion's solid shoulders, as she can be impetuous and irrational. If he can manage her temper, she will be able to accept his sometimes detached manner. And when this happens, their affair in the bedroom can begin. The one thing that may jeopardize the Aries woman Scorpio man compatibility is her self-reliance. The Aries woman in love may feel he is too possessive of her because he tends to be doubtful of any situation before he does his homework. Aries women need to learn patience with their lovers, and Scorpio men need to understand her need for independence. But if they can reach some middle ground, it will be enough on which to build a sexually compatible relationship. Conclusion: Aries is a cardinal fire sign, and Scorpio is a fixed water sign. The Aries woman Scorpio man compatibility gets a 3 hearts rating. If she can navigate his mysterious side and he can accept her ego, they can offset the other person's quirks for a stable union. And this will allow them the room to change and grow, which is something both star signs desire to keep their lives active. The Aries woman Scorpio man couple can have a pleasant time together.